Welcome back, YouTube supporters. I appreciate the support, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more weekly cars and tech content. Today, in this do-it-yourself video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the old bracket and install the new one. I mean, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is, well, it's not simple. You gotta pop out the whole bumper, and I have a video on that. It's not the best video I've made on removing the bumper, but it can definitely get you the bumper out, so you can remove this portion out, which I don't have it installed in this bumper. But with a very common problem I've seen with the A4s is that this grill right here, the little clips start to break, and you're gonna have to end up replacing it. And it's really simple. They're just clips. So all you gotta do with the old one is unclip it, throw it out, and then here's the new one. You're gonna align it properly, and now we're gonna put it all together. Alright, so after you remove the bumper, the installation steps will be pretty easy. I'm pretty sure you may need to remove the grill as well, because there are some holes that look like the screws fit in. So practically, there are going to be tabs right here and at the bottom too. You're going to look at the lower grill. You're going to make sure that the pattern design is looking how mine is. This is the part that's going to go on the exterior. It's going to show. So we're going to evenly match it up with the holes. Alright, that is it. You see how mine looks like? It's all pretty much flushed in. Yes, I need to... Well, once I put everything on, that little crack right here should disappear. You see how mine, there's no gaps? Yours should look exactly the same. Make sure this clip goes over the lower grill as well as this clip too. Make sure everything's all flushed in, pushed in correctly, and then from there, that's it. You can put the grill back on, watching the same video I provided earlier with the same steps. It's not the best video, but it can help you guys out, like I said. And if you want to know how to install this carbon fiber front splitter, or if you have an ABS plastic, it's the same steps. Be sure to watch a video that I just provided for you guys. And this is the progress in my car. My whole front end is pretty much done. I can't wait for more mods with my car. If you guys want to see more mods and to perform more do-it-yourself, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos later on. I hope this helped, and peace.